Some homes don't need a script, and this one speaks for itself. This fully renovated home blends timeless charm with modern elegance, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and breathtaking water views from multiple rooms in the house. Every detail has been carefully designed to give you both style and comfort. This gorgeous custom kitchen with designer lighting, premium finishes, and my personal favorite, these black stainless steel appliances. Perfect for hosting or everyday living. And check out how this open floor plan seamlessly flows into the living space, giving you tons of natural light and stunning water views. And if you thought that was impressive, wait till you see this main level primary suite. Wake up every morning to unbeatable water views and enjoy a spa-like ensuite bathroom that makes every day feel like a retreat. Step outside onto this expansive deck, the ultimate outdoor oasis. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or just enjoying a quiet morning coffee, this space was made for relaxation. But what really sets this home apart is the community. You get access to private beaches, a community boat ramp, and a clubhouse right in your own backyard. Whether you're boating, kayaking, or just soaking up the views, this is the ultimate waterfront lifestyle. Homes like this don't come on the market very often. Fully renovated, water privileged, and in an unbeatable location. If you want to make this home yours, reach out now because this one won't last long.